Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished a suspension revalve on this 2022 GasGas MC250. The stock WP XACT air forks were replaced with JBI Spec WP XACT Pro 6500 cartridge kit drop-ins. These were set up to our JBI suspension motocross spec. The WP linkage shock was revalved to our matching JBI suspension motocross spec. We also changed out and upgraded to the JBI suspension bladder kit. This one is a special edition GasGas one, and it is all red to go along with the all red GasGas. And we also changed out the spring rate from the stock 4.2 up one rate to the 4.5 spring rate. RideJBI.com has complete details on our JBI Spec WP XACT Pro cartridge kit, the cartridge setup that we installed inside of these forks. It also highlights the JBI titanium subvalve. That is a piece that we utilize in all of our JBI suspension WP XACT Pro 6500 kits, WP Explore Pro 6500 kits, and also we utilize it inside of the WP XACT Pro cone valve fork also. Our JBI suspension titanium subvalve had its own product page on Ride JBI, and then also we have in-depth information about it and how we use it inside of our JBI XACT Pro 6500 kit. Same can be said about our bladder kits also, in terms of having its own product page and information. Anyhow, the rider wanted to get rid of the air forks. They're just over checking the fork pressure on their forks, and we totally understand that. At Ride JBI, we have good settings for the air forks. We call that our JBI suspension WP AER Pro Fork kit. But again, we also offer these spring options as well. The KYB conversion kit for springs is also available at RideJBI.com if you like to go with the KYB brand instead. Lately on our YouTube channel, we've been allowing riders to ride our own JBI Spec WP XACT setups and then ride our JBI Spec KYB setup forks and getting feedback from them on which one they prefer. We'll be continuing to that video series later on. So just a quick glance at some of the work that we did today. Ride JBI has also tested, tuned, and developed many other suspension settings for all different types of riding. We have suspension settings for all the different types of off-road riding, for motocross, such as what you see here, and also for arena cross, supercross, and freestyle motocross. If you'd like Ride JBI to do your suspension, sorry, that's our neighbor next door working on a bike. If you'd like Ride JBI to do your suspension, please give us a call or send us an email. We can discuss the year, make, and model bike that you have, which options are available, and which setup would be most advantageous for you. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at RideJBI.com.